Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and today I wanted to share a card that I just made for my daughter. She turns 15 today. Oh my gosh. 15! I never thought, I'm a parent of a 15-year-old. Okay, so um, I had some Christmas money, and I know I said in my one of my goals that I wasn't going to purchase anything this year, but since I had Christmas money, I thought I'd purchase these. These are Planner Girls, I think, Planner Gal, and Unity is having a sale on their website with these certain stamps that are on sale, and these Planner Girls are one of them. And I was, scrolling on their website, and I was like, oh my gosh, these are so gorgeous. I mean, you don't have to use this for a planner. I just love them because I love, just like prima dolls and gorgeous girl dolls. I love them. And now that I have my desk kind of the way I kind of want it, where I have my Copics next to me or near me, and I don't have to bring out a box with my Copics in there. And it was such a big hassle. So now that they're on my desk, I'm, you know, colored her up and I stamped her out and I colored it up. And I love this stamp. It says, you don't have to be perfect to be awesome. And you know, I keep encouraging my daughter. She does have a low self-esteem, and any way that I can encourage her to be who she is, um, any way I can. And when I saw this stamp, I thought of her and with her long hair and everything. So this is what I created for her. So I'm not very good with hair, as you can see. I try my best, but that's the whole point of coloring, right? The more you do, the better you get at it. And I have stepped away from coloring in a while, and I hope to slowly get back into it and get better at it. But I still love this card. This card is I just love it. Anyway, so I was using up some of my crepe paper scraps that I had next to me. I thought it went well with the colors I picked out for the flowers on her hair, in her hair, shucks. I had stamped her out. I colored her real quick with Copics. Now I'm probably not using the perfect paper or the Copic paper or, Nina cardstock or anything like that. This is just on regular cardstock, cream cardstock. So, you can still color on, it probably is not ideal. I'm probably ruining the nibs, but anyway, um, nonetheless, I colored her up with my Copics. I couldn't tell you which ones I use, but anyway, this is a 5x5 card. I layered the paper, the pattern paper in the background. This is the other side of the paper. So this was one side and this is on the other side. I used a 1-inch strip. Then I punched out, it's white cardstock, but you can't really tell because I kind of distressed it a little bit. I used an old Stampin' Up! Scallop punch that I've had in my stash and I need to use more often. I added this flat. I was trying to keep it flat. I was going to put like flowers and embellishments on here, but not that I'm mailing it, but I just she may I don't know if she'll put this in her room or not. You know, she might go, "Mom," Anyway, I added some pearls. and I called it a day. And then I stamped this out and I inked around the edges. I just love that saying. You don't have to be perfect to be awesome. I mean, everybody makes mistakes. I keep telling her that all the time, but I know she thinks that she always has to be perfect. And well, anyway, so I did that inside. I just added another strip of paper. Now, Unity Stamp gave me a freebie, and I couldn't believe that. I love this stamp. I'm going to use this stamp all the time. It says hugs, kisses, and big birthday wishes. And I just thought that was awesome. So I layered up with cream cardstock, the pattern paper, some more of that beautiful paper, and I just put a heart. And I'm going to sign it from my husband and I. And that is my birthday card for my daughter. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by. I'm hoping to create more. That's my goal this year, or one of my many goals. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by and watching my videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, or a thumbs up. I appreciate it very much, and I want to thank you. And have a great week. And bye for now.